Here I am at the North Tower elevator entrance. So we'll be taking the elevator all the way to the 17th floor. So we're gonna walk down the hallway here to the left. And here we are. Cabin room 17116. Hello everyone, welcome to Strat Las Vegas. Today I'll be showing you a quick tour of this room located at the North Tower, room 17116. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Enjoy my video. Okay, as I entered the room here, there's an open closet. Up here is a cabinet. So back down you have the hangers, ironing board. To the left here is a full-size mirror. Across from that, here's the bathroom. Got the single sink, towels, and the hair dryer. And here's your toilet area before you get to the stand-in shower. So here it is. Okay, moving on here to the bedroom. The door over there leads to the connecting room. So you got the TV. You got the safe here and the mini fridge. Over here on the other side is drawers. There's a table here where you can find the ice bucket and your coffee maker. Okay, here's the bed. And to the left here, you got the air conditioning. You know, it's mounted to the wall. You would think that they have a centralized air conditioning in this place. Okay, looking out, this is my view. So it's just a small window, but you know, you could still see outside. Not a good view, but hey, it's Vegas, so that works.